Everybody, some more magic for you today, some fun with rubber bands, one of my favourite types of magic to do. If you like this trick, you can look up my little tutorial on it. It's known as the Crazy Man's Handcuffs, where you get a couple of rubber bands and the strangest thing can happen. Of course, you can do stuff with just one finger, where you just go and it comes right off. Now I ask you a question out there. 2 rubber bands. What colour's the cross in the middle? You're looking carefully. You're saying it's green. But are you sure? Could be that you were right the first time though. Okay, let's go for something a bit more complicated. So we get our rubber band. And normally I'd put another person's hand there, but I haven't got anybody. So I use just me and we go, watch it shoot off. I'm just a bit knackered to breaking a few of these today. Okay, so 1 rubber band, 1 colour, 1 rubber band, another colour. And watch. 2 different colours, 2 separate rubber bands. Till they become joined. But it just takes a moment to undo the magic. So there you go, guys and girls. I hope you liked that. A little bit of magic for you. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.